Hare Krishna. So, Devla here again, and today I brought one of my students, Mishka, and we're going to show you the rest of it. So last time we learned Din Teta Gedina, but now we're going to learn the same thing, the double time of Lofa Taal, of the 2 beat. So what you sometimes hear it in Damodarastakam, so they might play so Din Teta Gedina Gedina Din Teta Gedina Gedina Din Teta Gedina, and they play that for like the Rudanta Muhorneta Yugmam we're going to show you how to do that. Again, the notes are going to be in the description so you can see how it's done. You can read along with it. Yeah, let's break this down into piece by piece. So we're just going to do Din the Dagedina, then we're going to do Gedina, and then Din the Daketina, Ketina. So let's go. Din the Dagedina. Well, let's just do the Din the Dagedina. So Din de da Gedina, Din de da, but it'll be all open. Din de da, yeah. Gedina, Din de da. So that's the first part, and then you play Gedina after that. So that's Gedina, Gedina. And then if we put both of those together, that's Din, De, Da, Ge, Din, Da, Ge, Din, Da, Din. Again, De, Da, Ge, Din, Da, Ge, Din, Din, De, Da, Ge, Din, Da, Ge, Din, Da, Din, De, Da, Ge, Din, Da, Ge, Din. All right, and now we'll do the second half, which is the same thing that we just did, but all closed, except the first hit. So that'll be Din, Di, Da, Ke, Tina, Ke, Tina, Din, Di, Da. So it'll be all closed. So yeah, the second half, yeah. Din, Di, Da, Ke, Tina, Ke, Tina, Din, Di, Da. Now, Mishka will show you the full thing. So you can play the full thing now. So what you can do, if this was too fast for you or too slow for you, you can change the speed on YouTube and play at a slower speed and then try and get all the different hits. And you can also read along with the material that we have in the description. So now we're going to try in a Kirtan, and we're just going to play a regular Lofa beat. If you don't know the Lofa beat, we have another video on that, so I'll also put that in the description. So, and if you haven't seen our previous video, look at our previous video. I'll also put that in the description. There are a couple of things going to be in the description. The previous video, you need to know that before you can learn this. Actually, I forgot to mention that at the beginning. But so yeah, let's try now. Play it in the Kirtan. So I'm going to do Nama Mishwaram Sachidananda Rupam, and then just for the last line, we're going to play this together. So let's see if you kind of pick up on this, Mishka. So and then we can do Dagin again at that again. So Nama, okay. Nama Mishwaram Sachidananda Rupam Lasatum Dalam Gokule Brajamanam Yashoda Viyolukala Davamanam Param Vishamadhyam Let's do it again. Nama Mishwaram Sachi Ananda Rupam Lasatum Dalam Gokule Brajamanam Yashoda Viyolukala Davamanam Param Vishamadhyam Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. So just on the previous one, we played it for the last line. So there are 4 lines per verse. On the last line, we played that beat, and now we're going to play it at Rama Rama Hari Hari time. So right at Rama, the Rama Rama, that's where we're going to play this beat. Okay. So let's go. So Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Thank you, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
So this is Mishka, and he lives in Alachua now. How old are you, Mishka?
6.5.
6.5. And how long have we been learning for together? Was it like 6-7 months? Something like that.
Yes.
When you were 6, or did you start when you were 5? I think you started when you were 5. Just before, yeah, just before you turned 6. I remember your birthday. So, yeah, he's been learning for a little over 6 months, and he's now mastered so many beats. He's a very good player, and he also plays in the temple regularly. So, thank you for coming on, and thank you all for watching. Hare Krishna.